for the right vehicle? Check out 2018 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, 8 speakers, universal garage door opener, fog lights, security system, compass, heated steering wheel, power windows, trip computer, heated front seats, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, HD radio. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.